Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, good morning. How we doing? What's up? What's up with it? Cool. It is going to be such a fun day in the market. Good morning. I'm ready to print today. Had a beautiful day yesterday. Tesla and Nvidia, baby. Murdered it. Yes. Free 99. Click that like button. Free 99. Where them channel members at? Good morning, Elizabeth. Some of you guys got the you've been a channel member for 2 months, so it's popping up with a different color for you. I want to see it in the stream. It should be like orange or something like that. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Cool. So channel members, greatly appreciate you. Elizabeth, Bear, Sublime, Chuck, Alan, Justin, appreciate all of you. Thank you for the support. Let me see. Good morning, MJM. Good morning, William. Economic calendar. That's what I wanted to look at. See what we got today. Today is Tuesday, so we have a Fed speaker at 10:35. We also have another Fed speaker at 2, and then we have another at 5. So lots of Fed speakers today. Keep your eye on what they end up saying. I'm sure they'll be live streaming it so you can watch it. But yeah, yields are going crazy. I mean, I've been talking about the yields for quite some time on my channel. There he is, Jason with the Red Bull. There we go. That's what's up. But yeah, I've been talking about the yields for quite some time, specifically this 10-year. So, I mean, we've been talking about it since this squeeze all the way back here. Squeeze fired up, had a nice little pullback, new Fibonacci extension levels, pivot high, pivot low. What are we aiming for? 127, 1618. And then above there, I mean, straight shot to 2.771. So we do have an inverted yield curve on the 3-year and the 10-year yield. Inverted yield curve on the 5-year and 10-year yield. The only thing that is not curved yet or went negative is the 2-year and the 10-year. So what is this? We're 13 basis points from it hitting 0. 13 basis points. So I mean, keep your eye on it. But yeah, oh my god, Jason and Larry, 2-month members with the Red Bull icon. That's what's up with it. But yeah, let's make this watch list again. If you guys could, make sure to click that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. But let's make a watch list today. The one thing that I will say to watch is going to be Bitcoin names. So if we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we have this nice little squeeze increasing with the light blue momentum, red dots. It's holding that middle ATR right here and that -1 ATR. Looks like the ready aim buyer is telling us that this squeeze does want to fire up. So if Bitcoin does end up firing up, price target is going to be 45,636 and then 48,000. So if this Bitcoin squeeze does end up firing up, I will be watching stocks like Riot, Hut, and Mara for some possible swings. But with that being said, I'm running out of breath. I'm talking so quick. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. What do you mean Patreon for watch list? Just head on over to my channel, click that big old button that says join. If you want to support the channel for all the free education I put out, come on over here, click join. In the community, I do drop some fire for you guys, so channel members get to see that. Anyways, yes, I did see the Baba news. So let's start at the top of the list. Priority week. Any of you guys print off of that MOS yesterday? That went stupid. I wish that I actually ended up watching this because those $65 calls went almost $3 in the money. But yeah, insane. Start from the top. Let me pull up the Discord to myself. Let's see, AMD is holding that level. I would be interested above 117. Take it to yesterday's high at 117. What is that? 117.57. After that, we can look to take it a little higher. Let's see, AMD. I don't know about call options today. We just started the watch list. We shall see. whatever I see that I like, whether it be to the downside or to the upside, that's what I'm going to be watching. The Bristol Myers yesterday, we did hop out of those around 40%, and then I sold the rest at break even just because Powell, when he came out yesterday, he sounded a little hawkish. Just wanted to take some risk off the table. But if we do get a pullback on Bristol Myers, I'd probably be interested. The only thing that I didn't really like is it got really overextended on the daily time frame, plus the weekly it generated a stochastic sell. So I just figured, you know, I might as well take my profit and roll out. Let's see, Caterpillar tried to break out yesterday, it wasn't able to. I feel like that's a little overextended. Yeah, that Tesla yesterday, hopefully you guys printed off a Tesla. That was an absolute banger. Tesla's what made me most of my profits yesterday, and I kind of oversized, but we're not going to talk about that. It's all good, Larry. There'll be plenty more opportunity. If you're trading something that moves quick, like yesterday on Nvidia and Tesla, I bought market because it broke the level and just absolutely flew. So I bought market, sold bid. Let's see, Costco. I want to watch Costco still. Let's see, Chevron again. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Chevron does have a 1 hour squeeze that is looking to possibly fire up. So above 165.58, I'll be interested. CX. Nah, I need like 40K for Vegas. But yeah, remember, when we hit 150 likes, that's when I drop the watch list for you guys. Make sure you like it up. I also think crude oil is still going. Let's see. I probably shouldn't have done that because now my computer is going to be super slow. Yeah, crude looks good. Dollar Tree. Come on. There we go. Watching Dollar Tree for a possible swing. Maybe a butterfly. We'll see. Dow, still watching that for a swing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it, though. That's the only issue. I don't think it's going to pull back for me. Maybe. Can we day trade it? No. They paid the dividend today. Selling all my shares right at open. It tanked like 15 bucks. EMR. Then EMR broke out. A little overextended. I'll look for a little pullback before I get into that. Facebook above whatever that 213 level is. Wherever that that was a bounce yesterday. Facebook above 212.71 for calls. Not entirely interested in puts quite yet. Oh, trust me, I'll continue trading Tesla. I don't mind that whatsoever. There was a span from like, I think it was August all the way, I want to say October or September, or maybe like July to September, something around there, where we literally traded Tesla like every single day and we were done trading within like 10 minutes. It was crazy. This one I'm a little upset about because HES was my #1 swing that I wanted to watch going into this week. I wanted to go for those $100 calls, but unfortunately it gapped up and it kept going. So now those calls are almost $4 in the money, and we did not get the move. Let's see, MOS, is that pivot high to pivot low? No, today's ex-dividend. You'll get paid on the first. I want to say we could possibly watch MOS. The liquidity's in the 70 calls, though. That's the issue. That's a hike. We'll put MOS on the list for now. Come back to it. Let's see. It's not what I wanted. Nvidia with a nice squeeze. Let's see if Nvidia can crack 297, 272. Maybe look to take it a little higher, or if it breaks below 266, we could look for a scalp to the downside. Yes, that is usually what they do. I do want to keep an eye on Nvidia though. That looks highly likely to fire. Tesla, honestly with Tesla, I'm not going to be interested unless it comes above 938. Take it to yesterday's high, 942.85. Looks like that daily squeeze did try to fire. That daily candle's kind of ugly though. We'll come back to it. Maybe it pumps in the pre-market. We'll see. Tesla. UNH tried to break yesterday, got sold off. Let's see if they got liquidity yet. No, I guess nobody wants to trade UNH for day trading. I mean, I would, but no liquidity. And then WY, watching for a swing here. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 168 people in here, only 84 likes. I will drop the watch list at 150 likes. So you guys got, what is that, 50, 65 more. Or no, maybe, yeah, 65 likes. Of course. I usually get on the voice chat in Team Bull around like 9:20, 9:15, 9:20. Cool. So we flew through the priority week. Flip through the day trade stocks. Apple broke that trend line. Thing is, with Apple, I won't be interested unless it's above yesterday's high. So in the meantime, just create an alert. We looked at AMD, Boeing. Oh, Baba. They had that buyback. Let's see what we can do with Baba. Maybe get some trade with it today, even though Baba is like one of the hardest stocks to trade. Coin, somebody brought that up. If that Bitcoin squeeze does fire, Coin could be the one to go. Actually, it will be the one to go. But I like it. You can put it on the watch list. Coin. We looked at Costco, Chevron. I don't trade DWAC. Facebook, Moderna. Let's see. Not gonna watch Moderna today. Microsoft. I mean, that breakout point on Microsoft is gonna be 301.30. This high over here. I'll be interested above there. And I haven't traded MU in a while. Not interested. We looked at Nvidia, PayPal. Liquidity is in the 115 calls. 115 and 116. I would be interested, but there's no liquidity until it breaks above 116. Never mind. Look at SQ. SQ might be the only thing I like short today. we'll see. If they pull the market, I might be interested in some SQ puts. And then let's just flip through some of Grizzlies, Daily Watchers, Docu. Nice 1 hour squeeze, orange dots. $96.6, take it up to 100. That doesn't look bad. We actually got a decently sized list today. And what was the other one? UPST. Not interested in that one. Cool. So we got AMD, Chevron, Facebook, MOS, Nvidia, Tesla, Baba, Coin, Microsoft, SQ, and Docu. Again, make sure you guys run up the likes to 150 likes. That is when I will drop the watch list for you guys. But let's do process of elimination. Try to get this down to 3 or 4 stocks for the day. And just look at QQQ and SPX. Cool. If I were to watch AMD break above 117, 117.57, then it has room to 117.87. Whoops, where did that line go? Hold on. 117.87. There we go. So it's got room to there. I mean, it's got, we could scalp it. I mean, that's a good 50 to 80 cent move. Go for the 118s. 55 EMA is a 118.75. Parsons pivots say around 120. So I do like AMD. Don't worry, Scott. We will have plenty of more opportunities for trades. Chevron, like I said, I'm only interested above yesterday's high, 165.58. Take it up to 166.4. Gives us around $1. We would have to go with the 167.5 calls though. That's a possibility. Facebook, I like this above 212.75. Got a decent amount of room. It's holding above that daily 21 EMA, perfect. So I like AMD, I like Facebook, Chevron's a maybe. MOS, I'm gonna take that one off again, watch it rip. So small accounts, you can watch MOS today. Nvidia, I do really like that 1 hour squeeze. Except the 100 SMA is at 270.67. I mean, we're talking about a 70-cent scalp. Unless it breaks above there, then we can get a bigger move. But overall, there's a lot of resistance on Nvidia. That's not something that's as high probability as I would like it to be, but we'll come back to it. Tesla 1 hour squeeze again. I want to see that come up. We can look at Baba, but chances are I'm going to take it off. If it keeps breaking that 113.25 level, then I'm going to take it off the list. Looks like it's trying to go without us. Coin, I did really like that one. We're almost at the like goal though. We need 3 likes. 3 more likes and you guys get the watch list when I'm done. Let's see, 180, 150 I would like on coin. Scalp to 183.11. Yesterday's high 183.59. Previous day's high 186.69. 118.06. No EMAs are blocking it on the daily. Weekly looks good. Monthly looks good. Cool. Liquidity is in. Let's see if we're waiting for a break of 181.34. We're gonna have to go with the 185 calls. So I'd like coin. Microsoft. Again, I could be completely wrong. Honestly, I like everything to the upside today. But could be wrong. That is why we will change the plan if everything starts tanking. Microsoft, I want to see that come back up. And that docu. I do really like that docu. Just depends which way that squeeze ends up firing. $96.6. Yeah, I had all my alerts for my swings going off when the market opened. Asked me how annoying that was. Grizzly's so funny. Anyways. Take Chevron off. Not too interested in that one. So far, the ones that I really like are going to be AMD, Facebook, Coin, and Docu. Those are my favorite. AMD, we'll see if that comes up. Oh, watch Facebook. Give it another go today. Facebook. I like this one if the market pumps. Looking for a break of 212.75 for, oh my god, I can't type, a push to 215.5, 216.8. I mean, that's completely up to you. I announced like 8 times that I was selling Bristol Myers. 18.4. I mean, they're all good time frames. It just depends on if you're day trading or swing trading. I never really switch my time frames. I just trade the same. More volatility though, meaning everything moves kind of quicker and it's all over the place, but time frames never changed. Unfortunately, if I knew if AMD or Adobe was going to beat earnings, I would make $1 million off of it. So, I cannot tell you the answer to that. I do like that Facebook though. Really? Where? It looks like Nvidia is trying to come up. Again, the only issue is it's got so much resistance. Like, we would have to be quick with this. See if Tesla comes back up. Honestly, what I'll do, I'll just set an alert for Tesla. Take off Baba. Go to coin. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit. I mean, if it broke above 135, I'd be interested today, but I just set an alert. Boom. Take SQ off for now. Microsoft. I might leave the docu to Grizzly if Grizzly ends up watching it because he's the docu king. Again, keep our eye on Microsoft, see if that comes back up. I mean, AMD and Nvidia both, tons of resistance. Let's put coin on the list. Actually, hold on. $30-minute looks good, Bitcoin looks good, Ethereum look good. And let's watch it. Wouldn't be a bad break. Coin looking for a break above 181.4 for calls. Price target equal 183.11, 183.59, 186.69, 188. There's coin. Now, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait a little closer to market open because I really do like AMD and I really do like Nvidia. Just it depends what they end up doing in the pre-market. If I had to choose one, it would probably be the Nvidia, except it just has a lot of resistance. I would like to see what that 1 hour squeeze ends up doing. If it does fire up, maybe look for a bounce off that 1 hour 21 EMA. I don't know. But watch AMD, watch Nvidia, Microsoft. If it comes back up, look for the break above 301.29, and then docu. I also really like this one, but I'm gonna see if Grizzly's watching it today. The docu expert. Let's see, the bid is at 95.5. So we'll see what happens with docu. But again, another beautiful 1 hour squeeze holding above the moving averages. Ideally, I would like to see this thing fire up. So we can watch the $100 calls. As far as UPS, I believe I was watching that last week. Yeah, the daily squeeze fired. What it's got right now is a weekly squeeze. So if I were looking to get into UPS for a possible swing, best spots would be around 213 and 209. Anywhere from 210 to 213, I would say, would be where I would watch. But yeah, the May expirations aren't bad. The only issue is there's no liquidity. So might have to go liquidity searching. We'll see. Let's see, we did hit our 172 likes though. So in the meantime, here's Facebook. Here's coin. Again, if you are a channel member, I will be posting these in our little community tab. I'll also be giving you guys the other two stocks that I end up watching. So, channel members, you just got both of these setups, Facebook and coin. I'll let you know the other two that I end up watching for the day in there. Again, if you guys are not a channel member, make sure to head on over to my channel, click this big old button that says join. It's just basically a way to support the channel for all the free education I give you guys because YouTube pays like crap. But yeah, let's run it up today. If you guys are not in the Discord, head on over to my Instagram at Carhorn, CARWHORNS. Click the link in my bio and use discount code BULL50, BULL50. Get you 2 free trial days plus 50% off your first month. Yeah, if you guys make money off of those 2 stocks, take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. Other than that, make sure you guys are subscribed. I will be live tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time every single day, Monday through Friday. Everybody enjoy your day. Got a fire upload for